In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Litematica in Minecraft 121.10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you're working on a big building project or want to use schematics to copy structures, Litematica is the perfect mod for that. It gives you all the tools you need to make building faster and more accurate in Minecraft. First, let's download Fabric, which is the mod loader for Litematica. Go to fabricmc.net. Once you're here, click on the download button, select Universal Jar from the options, and you can choose where you want to save the file. By default, it will save to your downloads folder. Now just hit save and the download will start. Before we go to the next step, a huge thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to set up a Minecraft server, definitely check out Apex Hosting. You can find the link in the description and the pinned comment. Apex gives you fast, reliable servers with zero lag. Their customer support team is there 24/7 to help you with anything. The server is really easy and quick, so you'll be playing with your friends in no time. Thank you so much for supporting us by using them. Now let's get Litematica. You can go to curseforge.com and here just click on Minecraft, and then on the search bar type Litematica and press enter. So it's gonna be this one. You'll find the mod by Mesa. Click on it to open the mod page. Click on the files tab, and this will show you all the available versions of Litematica. Look through the list and find the version that says 121.10. This is really important. Make sure the game version column says 121.10 or it won't work with your game. Once you find it, click on the three dots on the right and then download the file, and it will start downloading. Alright, Litematica needs a library mod called Malilip to function. You can also download it through CurseForge. So in the top search bar, just type in Malilip and then press enter. Click on the mod to open its page. Go to the files tab just like before. Scroll to the version and find the one that says 121.10. Click on the three dots and then download the file. Save it somewhere in your PC. And after that, we also need the Fabric API. This one is also available on CurseForge. Just type in Fabric API in the search bar, open the mod page, and click on the files tab. Look for the 121.10 version in the list. Click on the three dots, download file, and then it will start downloading. Now after you finish downloading, you'll have four files: Fabric Universal Jar, Litematica, Malilip, and Fabric API. Now here we're going to install Fabric, but it's in the jar extension, so you'll need Java installed on your PC to open it up. If you don't have it, you can go to java.com and download the latest version, run the installer, and follow the steps. After that, you can right click Fabric Universal Jar, open with, and open it up with Java. If you don't see that option, you have to use JarFix. You can go to this website here and download it and then open it up to fix it. Alright, now you'll see the Fabric installer. Here, make sure Minecraft and the launcher are completely closed. And here what you can do is select 121.10 version, and you don't need to change anything else. Just click install and the installation process will begin. After it's finished, you can close the window and we're gonna install the mods. To install it, you have to find the mods folder. It's really easy. You can open the Minecraft launcher and go to the installation tab at the top, find your Fabric installation in the list, and select the folder icon to open the installation folder. Inside it, you should see a mods folder. If it's not there, you can create it yourself and name it mods. Alright, let's go ahead and open this mods folder and take the three mods files, which is Litematica, Malilip, and Fabric API, and drag them into the mods folder. You don't need to include the Fabric Universal Jar, just those three jar files. Once they're in, everything is installed. Now you can go back to the Minecraft launcher. At the bottom left, you'll see a drop-down menu. Just click on that, and then you're gonna select the Fabric profile. Make sure it's Fabric installation version 121.10. Once you've selected, you can hit play, and then Minecraft will launch with Fabric and Litematica. Now in the main menu, you'll see that on the bottom left. Alright, once you're in the game, press the M key to open the Litematica menu and you're all set. You can start using schematics in your world. And that's it.